Yeah, great question. Yeah, we have, at Emergent, we focus exclusively on companies where their market is the US, or primary market is the US. But a lot of our companies across geography, where they're building in other places outside of Silicon Valley and New York, and in many cases outside of the US, in places like India,
Right.
and some in Europe and other places. So we do have a nuanced view about that through the companies we are investing in and working with on companies from overseas targeting the US market. And, I'd say we see quite a few patterns. They obviously vary by specific vertical and other things. But one pattern I've seen very commonly is there's a tendency to think that, hey, let's first get 20 customers in India, and then let's go after the US market once we have proven, gotten product market fit, and then we'll raise more money and chase the US market. We've
Right.
seen that that's a much harder thing to do in practice. We've seen more success with companies and founders who are, from day one, if they are focused on the US market, they have to go after the US market from day one. Or the other, there's a barbell approach there, or the other window might be that they go there after many years and they are really well capitalized and they built up a large ship in their local market. And we focus on the former. So I'd say the nuance there is that each market has its own beat, and you may, let's say, go and acquire 5-7 customers in India or Southeast Asia or elsewhere and feel that you have some level of product market fit, but the product market fit is different because the market is different, and you have to find that product market fit again, which gets harder. Once you have 5-7 customers, you've raised more money, you have 30-40 people, that's just a bigger ship that's harder to navigate and move. And now if you have to go back to port and start again in the new market, that's just quite a bit harder. So I'd say that's one advice I have, is if you're serious about global or US markets, just focusing exclusively on that market at the cost of other markets. So that's one of the biggest things or patterns we have seen in the ones that are successful and that are not, is that they're focused on that, this market from day zero.